Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. Today we will do a very simple exercise of paperclip. First we will model it in SolidWorks and then we will render it in KeyShot as usual. I have attached all files for practice. Let's start the tutorial. Just go to new, select part and press OK. First of all, I'll choose my background as plain white, and then I'll choose my units to MMGS which are already selected. Now go to front plane and I'll sketch from my front plane. Go to sketch tab, select line. I'm just creating a rough sketch of my paperclip pen. I'm starting from origin. For arc, just go back to your line and it will convert it into arc. I'm just creating a rough sketch, and after creating this sketch uh, I'll give it a suitable dimension. Just go back to the sketch and the sketch will be converted into arc, just like that. And another arc, just go back to the line and it will be converted into arc. And we are almost done with this rough sketch. This point and this point, it will be in one line. Just select vertical, and now I'll give it suitable dimension. I think it will be 14 millimeters. Yes. Another I think these lines will be 1.13 from the center. It will be 1.13 as well. And another dimension. The sketch is blue, so it is not fully defined. When the sketch is black, so it is fully defined. It is still underdefined, as you can see from the bottom. It is 6 millimeters, and another one is 6 millimeters on the left. And I think these two lines are 4 millimeters. And now the sketch has turned black, so sketch is fully defined. And now I'll just press exit, and now I'll go to features tab, select sweep, and select the path. This is the path, and I'll choose circular profile. Just select circular profile, and I'll give it a diameter of 0.5 millimeters. And we are almost done with this. And now we are done with this. Just rotating the sketch, and it is perfect. Here I'm not applying material. I'll apply it in KeyShot. Just using these features, real graphics view, shaded with edges, or perspective view. I'll all use it in KeyShot. And here I'll not render it in SolidWorks Visualize or SolidWorks Photo View. I'll render it in KeyShot with the KeyShot plugin. Just go to Tools, go to KeyShot, and send to KeyShot. Here it will take some time to open, and so here is our geometry. We have so many options in KeyShot: materials, scenes, textures, environments. And I'll apply, I think chrome metal would be a fine guess. And I'll apply, I'm just searching for chrome, and just apply it to my body, to my 3D model. And now I'll choose some lighting for my model, and I'll apply caustic as well. Go to environment, and we'll apply these as well. We have so many options in KeyShot, but I'll not explore all of those. I'll choose 1280 by 720, and I'll use a little bit perspective to give it a real look. I think 82 will be fine, and 67. Okay, so we have we have our model ready for render. We have so many options, but as I told you that I'm not exploring all. We have so many colors we can apply on our model, but I think it is fine. We have so many environments as well, just checking those. And I think we have so many environments, but I'm just pressing Control Z, and it is best. Go to render, and I'm choosing 1000 dpi, 1000 dots per inch, and here you can explore all those. And I'm using 64 samples for this rendering, and I'm using all 4 cores for rendering. And now I'll apply render. I think these all are fine. Just apply render. It will take some time for rendering, and we are almost ready for this rendering. And now we are done with this rendering. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned so many things from this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, any queries regarding this SolidWorks tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and support us. Thanks.